Today we're gonna make some cakes. These little cakes. These are what they're gonna look like. So let's get started with some strawberries. It's really easy to make. All you just need is the cake, the strawberries, and the whipped cream. I have all that, and I'll show you. You just need the cake. I'm starting to put the strawberries on. And then we put whipped cream on, and then it's ready to eat. And you guys gonna watch me eat. You can add a cherry on top. Okay, I'm just gonna put the cherry. Yes, we have some cherries. I knew it, handsome. We have a little cherry to put on top. You can add cherries on top if you want to. That's what I'm doing because I love cherries. Literally, I love cherries. Okay, that's good. And now we just need a spoon from the whipped cream. Dude, get off the spoon. And that is all. I'm just gonna add a little more whipped cream. I literally. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna add. Yep, that's good. Close that up. Add a strawberry on top with a cherry plop, and this is the reveal. Yep. Okay, the phone can literally not eat. So that is it.